everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you how to close your eyes properly, and this will be a full tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'm going to take my glasses off so that you can see my eyes, okay? Now, when many people close their eyes, when I see them close their eyes, they go like this. They're squeezing their eyes shut, and your eyes are closed, but you can't do that for long because you're really straining your eyelid muscles to keep them shut like that. So I'm going to show you a method for closing your eyes, and I consider it to be the proper way to close your eyes because you can just let them sit like that for a very long time. It doesn't strain your eyelid muscles. In fact, it rests your eyelid muscles and allows them to relax. So all you got to do is take your eyes, like you're holding them open, right? So we hold our eyes open, and you're just going to start letting them go. Let them go. Let them go until they're closed. And you're going to allow them to relax. Don't put any pressure, any strain on those eyelid muscles. They will just relax and stay shut. And you're not going to be squinting like this. You're just allowing them to relax. Once again, when your eyes are open, you just simply let them go, let them go, let those eyelids go, and they're shut. And when they're shut, you release the muscles of the eyelids. You just let them go. You do not force them to stay shut. They will stay shut by themselves. That's why when we're sleeping at night, our eyes stay shut because the muscles are, I guess, turned off, right? I'm not a scientist or an expert on the human body, but that's my perspective. Let them go until until your eyes shut, and then just let the eyelids just completely be released in terms of like you holding the muscles. Once again, your eyes are open. For the last time, your eyes are open, okay? And this is the last time I'm showing you, I promise, okay? Your eyes are open, and you're gonna let your eyelids go. Let them go, let them go. They're gonna shut, and just release the eyelid muscles completely. Just let them be. Simple as that. And it's literally that simple. That is how you essentially close your eyes properly. And because you're releasing those eyelid muscles, they can stay shut like that for a very, very long time. And that's it. I got nothing else to say. So we're going to roll the outro. And I hope that you enjoyed this video tutorial. But yeah, once again, with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here's the outro for this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.